Another day, another income flex. I-check natin guys yung account natin. So currently it's 12:25 AM, December 3. So it's late in the evening na. Currently may laman yung account natin na 43,298. As you can see, hindi pa tayo nakapag-encash, no? So check natin ulit after ilang minutes kung magkano yung kikitain natin in just one night.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, welcome back. Actually, na-late to yung pag-video natin. Kasi it's already December 3 pa rin naman, pero 12:04 PM na. Hindi ko na-check yung balance sa account ko kagabi. So, check natin ngayon kung merong nadagdag. Kasi nag-encode ako kanina eh. So, check natin. I-access natin yung account natin. Then, magkano kaya yung madadagdag, no? Nung kagabi, nasa around 43,000 siya. So, i-check natin magkano yung kikitain natin ngayon or kung may nadagdag ba. Oops, dashboard, and yun, kumita tayo. Yung nadagdag sa account natin is from 43,000 to 52,798. So, almost 9,500 yung kinita natin. Wala pang isang araw, nasa 12 hours pa lang. Grabe. Nakaka-amaze talaga ang Online Business Academy. Kayo na yung next, guys.